guys, it's Numa, and in this video I'll be giving you an update on how I felt my paper 1 exams went this week. So it was definitely a draining week. Just having to give your 110% for a 2-hour long exam, and then straight after having to prepare yourself for the next exam, and doing that for 3 days straight is exhausting. But coming out of it feels good to know that I've done my paper 1s and it's finished, and I just moving on to the next paper. I feel quite motivated after having to do that, because I know at the beginning of the week I was quite nervous. But yeah, feels alright now. So my first paper was on a Tuesday afternoon, chemistry paper 1, which I can say was by far the most difficult paper I've ever sat for chemistry. They had a lot of vague parts of the specification included, and they asked things in quite a different way from what I was used to, so it was quite disheartening coming out of that exam. But I remember coming home and seeing that Tutors was doing a live stream where they were just talking about the questions, and it just kind of felt good, getting things I was not sure about off my chest, and also just seeing that everyone found the same parts that I found difficult. So it wasn't necessarily me not being prepared, it was just a difficult paper, which made me feel better and just realise I prepared as much as I could and I gave it my best shot, and all I can do is move on to the next paper, which was maths. With the maths paper, I felt it went okay. There are some standard questions that I've done and practiced over and over, but there's also some difficult questions where you had to really think about what they were after. I think the hardest part was timing with me. I just felt there was so many questions in such little time, and you have to really think what they were after. But yeah, overall maths was okay. So lastly, on to biology paper 1, which I think went okay. There are quite a few just direct outline these method type questions, but there were also some questions which were painted in a weird context you have to try and figure out, and things that has never been in the other papers, such as working out percentage uncertainty. But other than that, I think it was an alright paper. So paper 1's finished and you should be feeling great. That's all done and dusted. Just putting all your energy into paper 2 for this next week. Wishing everyone the best of luck, and if you want to talk about how your exams went in the comments, multiple comments, leave loads of comments. Yeah, feel free, and if you want to message me about anything to do with A-levels, tailored tutors, advice, go ahead. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you liked it. We've got a link there for you to check out the free trial. You should try it. There is a recommended video specifically for you, plus a toolkit video. And if you don't already know, the Tailored Toolkit is our free content initiative to show a bit of extracurricular examples that help strengthen understanding without always reading from the spec.